Hi, and welcome to this episode on Stock Take with Enterprise. I'm Sharon from Enterprise, and in this session, we'll look at how to add your stock take and post the counted entries to Enterprise. So let's get you started. So if we click here on Items and then click on to Stock Take. So this feature enables you to record your counted stock. So maybe this is something you might do on a weekly, monthly, or perhaps only a yearly basis. So very simply, this can be completed in three very simple steps. So let's begin. So the first step is to select your warehouse. So it's done per warehouse. So we select the warehouse. The items will then appear here under the items to count. So at this point, you can export the list to Excel, hand this to your user who can go to the warehouse or go to the location and count up the stock. Bring the list back, and then at this point you click into the count column where you record the quantity that has been counted. So let's just do that now on a couple of the items here. And you will notice, of course, other values appear to confirm what's currently on hand, any item cost on the system, and of course the difference and the value of the stock. So the difference that will be generated by the quantity. So once you're ready to proceed with the count, you can decide at this point to auto post after the count is input, or you can post each line here, or simply just post all counted. And what will happen is those three items will move down to the next section. So this is step 3. So step 3 then on the counted items, this will show you exactly what will happen once the counted items have been posted in regards to the difference. So very simply, what we can do is if we don't want to proceed and post those differences, we can remove an item, so it'll move back up to the items to count. Otherwise, we can select all items and click on Post Differences. And once they have been posted, you'll see there that goods receipt has been created. So for any increase in stock, a goods receipt will be created, and of course for any reduction, a goods issue will be created. So you can check for all your postings here under the stock posting report, or obviously through the stock items on an individual item. So thank you for watching, and hope that has helped for you to simply identify how to use the stock take within Enterprise. For any further help, don't forget to check out our articles on help.enterprise.com or reach out to our support representatives here on the chat. And you'll also find a quick link to the Enterprise Help Centre. Thank you for watching.